Uncle Sam wants his due, understanding tax season. In the United States, we pay taxes. It's how our government funds important things like roads, schools, and national defense. Taxes are the lifeblood of our public services, ensuring that we have the infrastructure and resources needed to maintain our way of life. Every year, Americans have a civic duty to report their income and pay their fair share. This process is not just a legal requirement, but also a way to contribute to the community and the country. It's a shared responsibility that helps keep our nation running smoothly. This period, from January to April, is what we call tax season. During these months, individuals and businesses alike gather their financial information, prepare their tax returns, and submit them to the IRS. During tax season, you tell the government about your income and expenses. This includes everything from your salary and wages to any additional income sources, like investments or freelance work. This is done by filing a tax return. Your tax return is a detailed report of your earnings and deductions, which helps determine how much tax you owe or if you're eligible for a refund. Depending on your financial situation, you might owe money to the government. This can happen if you didn't have enough taxes withheld from your paychecks throughout the year, or if you had additional income that wasn't taxed. Or you might get money back. If you overpaid your taxes during the year, you'll receive a refund. This can be a welcome boost to your finances, especially if you've been diligent about your withholdings and deductions. Understanding tax season is crucial for every American. It's important to be informed about the process and to stay organized. Knowing what documents you need and keeping track of your financial activities throughout the year can make tax season much less stressful. It can seem complicated, but don't worry. There are many resources available to help you, from tax software to professional accountants. Taking advantage of these tools can simplify the process and ensure that you're filing accurately. With a little planning and the right information, you can navigate tax season like a pro. Start early, stay organized, and don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. The more prepared you are, the smoother the process will be. Remember, paying your taxes is not just a legal obligation. It's a way to contribute to the society we all live in, ensuring that we have the services and infrastructure we need. It's also an investment in our nation's future. By paying taxes, you're helping to build a better, stronger country for everyone. Mark your calendars, important dates and deadlines. Tax season has a rhythm. It's a time when everyone needs to be extra vigilant about their financial responsibilities. Knowing the key dates and deadlines helps you stay organized and avoid penalties. It's not just about filing on time, but also about planning ahead. The most important date is April 15th. This is the day that looms large for many Americans. This is the deadline to file your federal income tax return. But wait, there's more. It's not just about federal taxes. State taxes also have deadlines. Each state has its own set of rules and timelines. These vary, so check with your state's tax agency. It's crucial to be aware of these to avoid any last-minute surprises. Don't forget, if April 15th falls on a weekend or holiday, the deadline is pushed to the next business day. This can give you a little extra breathing room. Life happens, and sometimes you need more time. Unexpected events can throw off your plans. That's where an extension comes in. Filing for an extension can provide some much-needed relief. You can get an automatic 6-month extension to file your taxes. This gives you until October 15th to get everything in order. But be careful, this only extends the filing deadline, not the payment deadline. You still need to pay any owed taxes by April 15th to avoid interest and penalties. Make sure you mark these dates on your calendar. Keeping track of these deadlines can save you a lot of stress. Missing deadlines can lead to penalties and interest charges. It's important to stay on top of your tax obligations. Stay informed and stay on track. By being proactive and organized, you can navigate tax season with confidence and ease. Get your ducks in a row, gathering necessary documents. Before you can file your taxes, you need the right documents. Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients to get it right. First, you'll need your Social Security number. This identifies you to the IRS. Next, gather your income statements. This includes your W-2 from your employer, 1099 forms for contract work, and any other documents showing income. Did you earn interest on savings? You'll need that statement too. Don't forget about deductions. These can lower your tax bill. Keep track of expenses like medical bills, charitable donations, and education costs. These might be deductible. Organizing your documents makes filing easier. Keep Keep them in a safe place so you're ready when it's time to file. Filing your taxes. A step-by-step guide. Filing taxes can be a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be manageable and even straightforward. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure you file your taxes correctly and efficiently. Now let's talk about filing. You have options. Understanding these options can help you choose the best method for your situation. You can hire a tax professional. This is a great choice if your tax situation is complex or if you simply prefer to have an expert handle it. They handle everything for a fee. This includes preparing your return, ensuring accuracy, and even representing you in case of an audit. Or you can be your own tax hero and file yourself. This option can save you money and give you a better understanding of your financial situation. If doing it yourself, you can use tax software. These programs are designed to simplify the process and make it accessible to everyone. These programs guide you through the process step by step. They provide prompts and explanations to help you understand each part of your return. They ask questions and use your answers to fill out the forms for you. This can significantly reduce the chances of errors and ensure that you don't miss any important details. You can also file your taxes online for free using IRS Free File. This is a fantastic option for those who meet the eligibility criteria. This option is available to taxpayers with adjusted gross incomes below a certain threshold. It's a cost-effective way to ensure your taxes are filed correctly. Whichever method you choose, accuracy is key. Taking the time to review your information can prevent costly mistakes and delays. Double-check all information before submitting your return. This includes verifying your personal details, income, deductions, and credits. Filing your taxes might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate the process with confidence. With a little patience and the right resources, you can conquer your taxes like a pro. Remember, the key is to stay organized, take your time, and seek help if you need it. Happy filing! Section 5. Don't be a tax dud. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best intentions, tax mistakes happen. Let's look at some common ones to avoid. First up, math errors. Double-check your calculations or use tax software to avoid this. Incorrect filing status is another common mistake. Make sure you're using the right status for your situation, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Missing the deadline is a big no-no. File on time, even if it means filing for an extension. Not claiming all eligible deductions and credits is like leaving money on the table. Research potential deductions or consult a tax professional to ensure you're not missing out. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to taxes. Avoid these common mistakes and sail smoothly through tax season. Section 6. Supercharge your refund tips for maximizing deductions. Want to keep more of your hard-earned money? Of course you do. Maximizing your deductions can lead to a larger refund or a smaller tax bill. One strategy is to contribute to a retirement account. Contributions to a 401k or IRA can be tax deductible. Another tip is to itemize deductions if you qualify. This allows you to deduct expenses like medical costs, property taxes, and charitable donations. Don't forget about education-related deductions. The American Opportunity Tax Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit can help offset the cost of higher education. Remember, tax laws can change, so stay updated on the latest deductions and credits. By taking advantage of all eligible deductions, you can keep more money in your pocket. Section 7. Receipts are your friends, the importance of keeping records. Imagine this. You claim a deduction and the IRS comes knocking asking for proof. What do? This is where good record keeping comes in. Keeping accurate records of your income and expenses is crucial for a smooth tax season. Save your receipts. They serve as proof of purchase for deductions and credits. Organize your records by category, such as medical expenses, charitable donations, and business expenses. Consider using a spreadsheet or accounting software to track your income and expenses digitally. Good record keeping not only makes tax time easier, but also protects you in case of an audit. Remember, when it comes to taxes, documentation is key. Section 8. Taxing questions? Finding the help you need. Taxes can be confusing, and it's okay to ask for help. The IRS offers numerous resources to assist taxpayers. Their website provides a wealth of information including tax forms, instructions, and FAQs. You can also call the IRS helpline for personalized assistance. If you prefer face-to-face help, the IRS has taxpayer assistance centers located throughout the country. For more complex tax situations, consider consulting a qualified tax professional. Remember, you don't have to navigate the tax maze alone. There are resources available to guide you every step of the way. Section 9. The early bird gets the refund. Benefits of early preparation. Don't wait until the last minute to file your taxes. Early preparation offers numerous benefits. First, it gives you ample time to gather all necessary documents and avoid rushing. Second, early filers receive their refunds sooner, giving them extra cash flow. Third, early preparation allows you to identify potential issues and seek help if needed. By starting early, you can approach tax season with confidence and avoid the stress of last-minute filing. Remember, the early bird not only gets the worm but also enjoys a smoother tax season.